So we've seen this nice price surge to the upside on Cardano ADA since reaching the local bottom at 76.13 cents. So very quickly, if I check to see what the move was, and so we're looking at a move of over 12%. And of course, this is following on from my previous update where I mentioned it was possible that we ended up completing this fourth wave, which was made up of a WXY structure, where the W wave was made up of an internal WXY structure and the Y wave was made up of an internal five-wave structure, with this being a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I've then been tracking this WXY structure where I'm looking at for this Y wave to tap into this region between 86.15 cents to 88.17 cents. And I set out this target in my previous update during the time recording, which was around here. And since then, we then saw this lower low, and so this target will have to be slightly adjusted. So if I bring in the Fib tool and bring this over here at 77.47 cents. And so that target sits between 85.29 cents to 87.25 cents. And so it will be interesting to see if we have tapped into this region. And yeah, you can see that we've tapped into that region. And so this is going to be key in determining where ADA is going to head next, because if we were to get rejected, then it's possible that what we are forming is a bigger WXY structure. And if we were to continue to extend beyond the 1.226 level and retrace towards the 1.618 level, then that would then trigger a five-wave structure. And it would then be possible that we ended up completing this fourth wave, and we can then begin to track the wave 5, where that wave 5 has the potential to reach anywhere between 98.45 cents to $1.06. So if I zoom in, what I do is I'll set out the third wave target, given that this could potentially be the third wave. And so this third wave will have to be made up of 5 waves, where this could potentially be the wave 1, and then we have a wave 2, and then we could potentially be within a wave 3 right now, where that wave 3 has the potential to breach past this level here at 90.51 cents. And then we see a wave 4 and 5 play out to then complete the third wave. So if I remove this for now and bring in this, so essentially what I'm looking at for is for this to be the wave 1, this to be the wave 2, this to be the wave 3, this to be the wave 1, this to be the wave 5, where that wave 5 could then potentially breach this region here. And if I bring in the Fib tool, so here we ended up reaching 83.94 cents, and we ended up bottoming out at 81.41 cents. And so if I bring this to over here, so here you can see that the 1.618 level for this third wave could potentially breach past this level here. And we're going to see wave 4 and 5 play out to then complete the bigger wave 3. And then shortly after, we'll then see the wave 4 and wave 5 play out. And so I'm looking at for an impulsive move within this third wave, and for us to continue to extend beyond the 1.236 level to then retrace towards this level here to then trigger a five-wave structure. And again, it would then be possible that we ended up completing this fourth wave, and we're now within that fifth wave. But with that being said, you can see that we are within the overbought conditions on the hourly chart, and on the 4-hour chart, again, we are within the overbought conditions. And if I go on the 8-hour chart, the bulls are slowly starting to lose that momentum, and we are on the brink of reaching the overbought conditions. And so, this is going to be a key zone in determining where it is going to head next. And on a daily chart, we are within oversold conditions, and so the bulls still have the momentum. And I am looking out for this move to the upside, where we then tap into this fifth wave target. And then shortly after, I will be looking out for that retracement to the downside, where the next key levels really to find support at would be this level here at 83.81 cents. And if we were to break past this level and fail to find support at that level, then the next key level will be this yellow line that I set out previously at 75 cents. And here you can actually see that the recent move to the downside that we witnessed, so if I go back to the hourly chart, we more or less ended up finding support at that level, and then we saw that pump to the upside where we managed to tap into this region here. And so this is going to be a key level of support when we are within that retracement to the downside. And if we end up failing to find support at this level, then the next key level to find support at would be this level here at around 58 cents. In fact, there'll be also this level here too. Given that we ended up finding support at this level, and over here we find support at that level too. And so if we were to breach past this level, then this will be a key level of support. If we were to fail to find support at that level, then this will also be another key level of support. And so, of course, that's something I'm going to be tracking in the days and weeks to come, and I'll keep you guys updated. And so, yeah, that's just my update on Cardano ADA. Hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, then feel free to hit that like button, and if you're new, feel free to subscribe. Take it easy, people. Peace.